Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this one is under altitude. I am finally going to get back to getting this ribbon cable back on my Phantom 3 Pro's 4K camera. It's been a couple months now since I I had a ribbon cable and I put it on it. If you look at the videos prior to this one, you're going to see that the camera just went berserk and it was flipping around and there was no video, there was no nothing after I put that new ribbon cable back on. The main problem originally was I had vertical lines in my videos. It's just paper thin. I mean, you're playing with paper, trying to get it lined up. Slide in there. Go. I hate working with sort of micro. I think these pop up. Got one along here that pops up, and you slide it in, you close the door on it. They're not going back in there then. But you gotta weigh the cost here. Get in there. Alright. Unfortunately, being brutal. I'm being brutal with these things because they are so paper thin. It's just crazy. Get in there. I don't. Can I get the way? I flipped. Get in there. Okay, got it. Got that one. Had that one on. Alright. That is that. Now, this goes back on. It actually covers it. Okay, so that point there. Let's see, I got those. Got the two ribbons in there. Bottom in there. And then set that down on top. And covers going in here. That's facing back side. Facing out under there. Okay. Now, here are the two screws. Get my magnet screwdriver. I'll go in there. And take these apart. Make sure you try and keep the screws together. I know it's difficult, but gotta do it. Okay, that pulls it tight. Okay. Pull together. Yep. Okay. And there's a little There's another panel, little panel here. Slides right under there. And drop your screws out real quick. That's it. Slides right in there. And now you're locked. Now you're locked. Now you got your whole swing area open. Screws back in. As you can see, I'm using the new Featherlight cable. So we're going to see if we wind up with a different symptom than I started with. Interesting to see. But the camera had gone berserk. I mean, it was just flipping around, going through all its angles. I don't know. Maybe I did put it on calibration, but I can't say that. So I'm at that point. I got that now. Now the key is going to be to put the actual camera back on here. It's kind of a way this thing is wrapped. It's going to be the way it plugs into its This has got to be lined so as the screw. Faces in the right direction. Oh. I hope I get the screw out of there. I actually left the screw in there. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay. Screw it back in. Okay. So next thing. It doesn't stick way out there. That'd be the complicated part. Cause I gotta get this spun around there properly. It's gotta be plugged into this here. See, I got there's another plug right there. So it goes in there. This is your this is actually your camera. So oh no, the lines. Ouch, the lines on the camera. This thing could be bad too. This could be what's giving me my issues, but let me pull it out real quick. Rotates around. You should lay it flat like that. Okay. Yeah, it still has some glue in it. See, it's still like that. That's when it's sitting up there on the way. Okay. Come around twice, I think. Actually, get some sticky left on it. And this one's got a little, this actually's got a little door on it. Uh-oh. Oh no. Serious? You serious? It broke. It broke. No kidding. Oh man. It broke.